So, I have been to Goa so many times, and every time I visited this Basilica of Bom Jesus, I found this place very intriguing. This incredible story behind Saint Xavier's body inside those walls, which got me curious. So, today I'm meeting my Goan friend Ricardo, who will join me on this one of its kind monumental tour. Hello, Father.
Hi, Patricio. Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much for having me.
And how are you, Ricardo?
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much for joining me in this.
Very, very excited. And I know, well, like me, there'll be a lot of other people who will be very excited because they'll be seeing it for the first time, like I am seeing it for the first time. And
So let me introduce you to Father Patricio, who is the rector of the Basilica of Bom Jesus, and he will be able to answer all your questions in much detail. So let's go.
yes.
Hello, Father Patricio.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, Father.
Remo, it's wonderful to have you here with us. And
Thank you, Father, so much. God bless.
I'll show you the church.
Yes, Father.
It's a real wonderful church. It's worth everyone in India and all from all over the world come here to see this church.
Yes.
See this little statue here?
Yeah.
That is of Saint Anthony. He's actually from Lisbon.
Okay.
Yeah. And he was discovered later at a function in which, after the ordination, generally either a Franciscan or a Dominican would be giving a nice speech,
Okay.
a homily or something like that.
Okay.
And that time there was no one, so they just pushed him, and he gave such a lovely homily that they were amazed. This Saint Anthony has been known to be a person who has been interceding for people. And most of the people, when they lose their things, they will tie him up and say, you must get this back. And he does.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Some people say in 13 days time you can get it. For his novenas are for 13 days. And it's on the 13th of June.
All over the world, they believe this,
Yeah.
because even my mother-in-law in England, it's her favorite saint. And she loves him. And anytime she loses a key,
Oh, yeah?
she goes
My
back.
father's favorite was Saint Anthony.
Yes.
And even Lizelle, and Lizelle is a big believer on Saint
Saint
Anthony. And we every Tuesdays,
Yeah.
Lizelle keeps going there.
Right. On Tuesdays. So you see, he's with the little baby Jesus in his hand. And in Goa, the people on the 13th of June have a big feast.
Okay.
And especially in Sholi. But here also we have him in this church because he's an important saint in Goa. And you see on the sides here, this is how the church was before. These are the murals.
Okay.
The whole church was like this.
Oh.
And paintings on the walls and things like that, you know.
Oh, okay. I can imagine how
Yeah.
beautiful it must be, but still it's so beautiful.
Now I can't wait to see more.